Well, hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. This is an exciting day. Well, mostly an exciting day. There is one little glitch, but anyway, my husband and I were coming back from the gym and we stopped to get the mail, and look what was in the mail. All my pretty stuff I ordered from Shein. Now, this is not shine like what the sun does. This is Shein. And but anyway, let me tell you how I got this. One of the makeup artists that I watch and follow on YouTube, Robert Welch, he did a full face of makeup with this these Shein products, and he was they looked great on him, and he was very impressed, and I trust his opinion because he has been a makeup artist for almost 15 years, I think, at this point. So he knows what he's doing and he knows what he's talking about. So I went ahead and ordered some for myself for my birthday, for me. That's what I'm telling myself. And y'all are not going to see me in this video. You're just going to see my hands and my products because, like I said, we did just get back from the gym. So yeah, we're not going to look at that. But anyway, let's get to it. The glitch is that I ordered a foundation and I have not found it yet. Everything else is in here, but not the foundation. So I don't know. And considering this stuff comes from overseas, I'm probably not going to have an easy time getting to customer service. But the good thing about these products, and I am going to do a video coming up where I'm going to use as many of these as I can for, it won't be a full face of makeup because I didn't get the foundation. But, and I got more than this. It's just sitting over here on the side with the boxes because my glasses are out in the car and I don't want to go get them and I can't read the tiny little writing. So anyway, let's just get into it. Let me show you what I got. Okay, I bought these makeup brushes right here. Now, these are just for the eyes. My sweet mother got me a nice set of makeup brushes for Christmas. They just didn't have enough. I needed more eye brushes. So that's all that's in here. Really, well, except maybe that fan one. Anyway, these are all eye brushes, and it comes with this little leather looking case, which is pretty cool. I mean, I'm probably not going to keep them in that, but I can find something to do with that case easily. The next thing I want to show you is, and y'all look at the packaging on this stuff. Look how pretty that is. Ooh, it's so pretty. But this is called She Glam. You can see me. Hey, see my camera in there? And this is the Birthday Skin Primer. Birthday Skin. I'm not going to dig too deep into what I think about that. Now, I will show this. I'm having to hold my camera, see, with that hand. And that's why I had to. I was going to unbox all this stuff and video it. But y'all, I mean, I love it when a company wants to protect the products that I spent my hard-earned money on and get them here safely. But this stuff was no joke. These little palettes right here that are beautiful, and I'm going to show you in just a minute, where they have these big things of foam wrapped around them with this big old packing tape, and then once you got into that, it had a shrink wrap plastic on it. And then I was just like, y'all, come on, I don't have all day. It literally took me, I think, 20 minutes just to get everything out of the boxes. So anyway, that's that story. But that's the primer. And then this right here is one of the palettes that I got. And what is it called? I'm gonna have to read it over here. Lots to Lava is what it's called. Now let me see if I can open it with one hand. Sure. No, sorry you guys, that I'm just gonna have to do that. Look at how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. They have these beautiful neutral colors up here. And then they have these really, really dark ones down here all the way to the left and the right that I probably won't ever use. But that one in the middle, Deep Thinker. And then this Hidden Agenda, I probably won't ever use. But Milkshake and Earthquake, yeah, buddy, we're going to try those out. But this is my absolute favorite one. Well, that opened a lot easier. Look at how pretty those are. Does that just not look like summer? I mean, just summer, summer, summer. And this palette is called the Blues palette. Well, you know it is. And there, I don't see one color in here that I think I'll skip. When I get ready to do, blue is hard. Now, I will say that. Blue is hard to work with. Sometimes yellow can be hard to work with, but I don't care. I'm going to try every single one of them out. All of them. And let me put the little protector back on there. So, next I have this concealer. And it's a 12-hour full coverage concealer. And you can see the color a little bit better. It's called Coconut Flakes. Isn't that cute? I know this will be a good color for me, but I might have bought it just because it was called Coconut Flakes, and that's just cute. And if y'all ever hear me say, oh, I'm just so tired of makeup, that's a lie. I'm never going to be tired of makeup. I might say it just, I don't know why I ever would, but if, like I said, if you ever hear me say it, don't believe it because it's not true. Now, this right here is Color Bloom Liquid Blush, and it is in the color Devoted. How sweet is that? I have never, ever used a cream blush before, but I've been seeing it a lot on makeup tutorials that I've been watching coming up, well, through the spring and for the summer. So I thought I would try it out. I may hate it, I don't know, because I may not know how to use it because I've never used it before, but we're going to try it and you will see it because I will put it in a video. Now to my favorite thing. I did not get any mascara because y'all know what mascara I use, Man Eater by Tarte. This right here is a lip liner and it is called, it is called Neutral. I mean, all these pretty names they've been having. And does that look neutral? I mean, I guess, but okay. Oops, I'm showing y'all my pile of clothes on the bed. This is the bobby pin that I had to destroy to get into, try to get into some of these packages. Now, my next favorite thing, to the lipsticks. Now, this one is called, well, that's blurry. Let me look at it up here. This one is called Beach Babe. Not because I am one, just because I thought the color was pretty, and I do think that is pretty. If it looks really dark on camera, it's not very dark. It's very warm. It's a warm color. Let me get my finger out of the way. Now, this color right here, this next one, is called Heartbeat. And I'm very curious to say, ooh, that's pretty. Now, that looks a little dark. Yeah, that looks a little dark. But now, this is a matte finish. Wow, I didn't think I ordered any dark colors. If that really is that dark, I won't be wearing this until the fall and the winter time because I don't like to wear colors that dark in the spring and the summer. Now, this next color I'm going to show you. This is, look at the packaging again. That is so pretty. Clouds in My Coffee. Ode to Carly Simon, I guess. And I cannot get this off. Let me just just wiggle y'all around a little bit. Oh no. That looks really dark too. Now I am telling y'all, when I ordered these, I had spring and summer in mind. So I either picked the wrong colors or they just didn't look this dark on the website. So, okay, this color right here, again, look at this pretty, and this, look, I don't know if you can tell, it's got a magnetic close. Isn't that cute? Actually, that's convenient, so you know it won't ever come open in your purse. Okay, this color is called Wedding. Oh, it's called Wedding. Ooh, that is pretty. I really like that. It's more of a rosy. It might look a little brownish on the camera, but it's not. It's more of a rose colored. I promise you it is. Oh, magnet. And then the last product that I have to show you is another lipstick. Y'all can't help myself. And these are, let me see what this box says right here. Matte lipstick. Ooh, did I get a bunch of matte lipsticks? I probably did because that's my downfall. But this one is called Cabana. That's almost as dark as my fingernail polish. Now, okay, let me retract what I said. I don't mind wearing dark colors on my nails, but as far as lipsticks and stuff, I may only get to wear one of these lipsticks. I don't know. I'll just have to break my little rule and try them out because I won't be able to wait until the spring or the fall probably. But that's it, guys. That's my little Shein makeup haul right there, except for the foundation, which, y'all, this stuff is not expensive. You can look on their website and find out what the prices are. I would say what every other YouTuber says. I'll leave all the products linked down in my description. I still don't know how to do that. I've been doing this since January the 1st, and I still don't know how to link things in my description box, but it's Shein.com, SHEIN.com, and you can go on there and look. These are not expensive. So I just really don't know if I'm going to try to track down that foundation or not. I probably should, but I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, I'm going to go because we are having pasta salad for dinner, and I have a very low heat pot of water on the stove, so it's not going to boil over or anything. But I'm going to go now, and thank you for joining me for this video. If you liked it, give me a big thumbs up, a big dark nail thumbs up, and I'll talk to you later. Love you guys. Bye.